Advantage. Advantage.
Advantage. Advantage. A thing that helps you to be better or more successful than other people. She had the advantage of a good education. Being tall gave him an advantage over the other players. A quality of something that makes it better or more useful. Each of these systems has its advantages and disadvantages. Continuous assessment offers clear advantages for teachers and students. To make use of something well, to make use of an opportunity. She took advantage of the children's absence to tidy their rooms. We took full advantage of the hotel facilities.